There's a casualty on this camera. This one's really important. What happened? I hit a crazy bump with the ATV. The camera went flying and the USB cover came off. This camera can no longer go underwater. It's okay, I have another. Not as good as this one. Dust, sand, and drippings of water in there is a problem. I bought medical tape from the pharmacy. That's an experience. Yeah, I feel good. I feel so good about this. Okay. Do you know that we're on this island for one reason? One reason. We're taking a boat ride. That's today. We're going on a boat ride. Instagram page, Stella Cruises. That's what we're doing today. Okay, so here's the schedule. This hotel is going to have breakfast at 8:30. I have to be at the port at 10:30, 30-minute walk. Hey Siri, what time is sunrise?
Sunrise will be at 7:03 today.
Okay, it's going to be a good day. So today's a little different. Instead of a scooter, an ATV, or a skateboard, I'm chartering a boat. Alonnisos is mostly a protected marine park, and the best way to see this is from the water. I'm packed up. It's about a half-hour walk down to the port from here, but I'm excited about something small and intimate. Not those big boats with 295 of your closest friends. This feels like the best way to spend the day on a small boat with new friends. First stop of the day, and it's already exactly what I was searching for. The ride out feels tranquil, just endless shades of blue in every direction. Forest green pines grow straight out of the cliffs like a natural picture frame holding all that color together. It's the kind of view you want to press pause on just to take it in a little longer. The staff make it feel personal, almost semi-private, and that's a rare gift. The water temperature this year, perfect. Nothing can stop me from a leap into the water. A swim, a climb, a little proof to myself that even at my age, I'm still me. Still jumping into the adventure. My third Greek shipwreck. Anybody know where? Zakynthos? Amorgos? And that's it. So now there's, okay. Hidden in the heart of the Aegean, Alonnisos is home to one of the most important marine sanctuaries in Europe. This protected area stretches across a vast network of islands and crystal clear waters, providing a safe haven for countless species of fish, seabirds, and rare marine life. Most importantly, it shelters the endangered Mediterranean monk seal, one of the rarest animals on Earth. The sanctuary not only protects wildlife, but also preserves traditions, supporting sustainable fishing and eco-friendly tourism that keeps the local community thriving. Every visit here reminds us how fragile our seas are and how much we depend on them for balance, beauty, and life itself. Alonnisos Marine Sanctuary is more than a destination. It's a promise to protect our natural heritage for generations to come. Every September, I make a promise to myself to step away, explore, and find a new adventure. This year, it brought me here to Alonnisos and its incredible marine sanctuary. It's not just about the beauty of the place, it's about keeping that commitment to push forward, even when life feels like climbing a mountain. These trips remind me why it's worth it, to keep the promise that I made to myself, and to keep moving forward.
Time to climb that mountain. I'm not gonna stop till I reach the very top. It's a decision I've made. I'm gonna follow through. I promise I'll keep to me and you. All that I need is within me. Sooner or later, it's now or never. Sooner or later, now or never. Time to climb that mountain. I'm not gonna stop till I reach the very top.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Later on, Captain George. What a day. I only had one day on Alonnisos here, but taking the boat ride today was absolutely worth it. Huge thanks to Stella Cruises for an amazing day sailing out of the port. Tomorrow I head out, but I'm glad they made the most of this day. And with that, this episode comes to a close. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if Alonnisos is on your travel list or if you've been here before. I'd love to hear about it. Oh yeah, buy me a coffee. Buy me a coffee. I'm gonna use that coffee money to did we talk about the drone yet? Okay, next episode.
Step by step, you just have to move. Sooner or later, it's now or never. Sooner or